Setting up the Sims 4 server timeout can help improve your gaming experience by ensuring a stable connection. Follow these steps to configure the settings properly. Step 1. Access game settings. Open the Sims 4 game and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Options menu to access the game settings. Step 2. Locate online settings. Within the Options menu, find the Online or Multiplayer settings section. This is where you can manage your online connection preferences. Step 3. Adjust server timeout. Look for the server timeout option. Here, you can set the timeout duration to your preference, ensuring it aligns with the updated settings for 2026. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the server timeout, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the Options menu to confirm your settings. Step 5. Restart the game. To ensure the new settings take effect, exit the game completely and restart it. This will refresh your connection and apply the updated server timeout settings. By following these steps, you can effectively set up the server timeout in The Sims 4 for a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your gameplay.